Hey guys, it's Running Kimono. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the dirty side of my house and one of the intake vents, the biggest one in the house for our furnace. And as you can see, it is just clogged with pet fur. I use these Lysol wipes, the one I showed you just a second ago, and the consistency of the wipe, like the fabric, it really catches pet hair perfectly. It just grabs it. So I'm just going to show you here really quickly with a couple of swipes with a Lysol wipe. Look how much hair is already taken from the vent, and boom, look at that. There is no product on the market for cleaning supplies that works as well for picking up cat hair as well as these Lysol wipes. With coupons, we usually can get these guys completely for free. So before you sell all of them in your stockpile or just give all of them away, this might be something you want to hang on to because it is just wonderful to clean out any sort of air conditioning or heating or cooling vent. And whenever you start a project like this, this little girl shows up, and she is the guilty culprit of these little tufts of fur. Our other cat is British Shorthair, so Daisy doesn't do this, but Suzu's hair is just out of control and it catches perfectly in this intake vent. So the last time my husband and I took it apart, I think was in November, and we vacuumed it and thoroughly cleaned it. And I just looked at it a couple days ago and said, oh my God, there's like another cat there. And as you can see, it just catches the pet fur perfectly. And I used probably all of 4 Lysol wipes to clean the exterior of this. I didn't open up the vent. I will probably do that this weekend. But it's just a way to clean up your vent so you're not breathing old cat hair like an old cat lady. But it's just a really great product on the market. And I think Lysol more than Clorox really catches pet fur quite perfectly. So that's it for this video, guys. Hopefully it was helpful, and we will see you in our next video. She's happy about the clean vent. I'll see you in the next one, guys.